Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we'll be discussing the MSI MS16R5 laptop and exploring the reasons why it might be deemed not reparable. First, gather your tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and some cleaning supplies like isopropyl alcohol and microfiber cloths. To begin, shut down the laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Removing the battery is crucial. Depending on the model, you may need to unscrew several screws on the back panel. Keep track of these screws, they often differ in size and type. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back cover using a plastic spudger. Take your time here to avoid damaging the clips. After opening, you should see the internal components of the laptop. Inspect the RAM and hard drive. Faulty memory or storage can lead to performance issues. If you suspect either is the problem, reseat them or consider replacing them. Remember, if you don't have the tools needed for this, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, let's focus on cleaning. Dust accumulation can cause overheating, which might lead to permanent damage. Use compressed air to blow out dust from the vents and components. Be cautious around sensitive parts. It's advisable to perform this cleaning regularly to maintain optimal performance. Now, if you found extensive damage like cracked circuits or burnt components, it might indicate a more severe issue. These are often signs that the laptop could be non-reparable. In such cases, we recommend considering a professional service. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. No calls, no travel, just a straightforward solution. If everything looks good, reassemble the laptop carefully. Reattach the back cover by aligning it properly and securing it with screws. Always double-check that no screws are left out, as this could affect the laptop's structural integrity. If you decide to proceed with repairs, remember to get a quote before repair. This way, you'll know the costs upfront and can make an informed decision. In conclusion, while some issues may render the MSI MS16R5 non-reparable, regular maintenance and careful inspection can extend the life of your device. Always be cautious and seek professional help when needed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.